Roses are red, violets are blue. Today I've got a great Valentine's tutorial just for you. Can't do that, that's so easy. Hi everyone, I'm Natalie Callahan with designedtothenines.com, and today I've got a great project, especially with Valentine's Day fast approaching. You know, roses are going to skyrocket and it's going to be super expensive. So my tutorial for you today is how to arrange grocery store roses, because honestly it's the cheapest thing you can do, but you can still have a professional looking look, and that's what I'm going to do today. Guys, this is sure to impress the special lady in your life, and ladies, let's make our men look good and know that we are grateful for the flowers that we've received. So I've got some roses here and a vase. Now I recommend Goodwill for vases because they, time after time, you can get them for a couple bucks. You've got a huge selection, and I think it's just a great place to go. You probably have some lying around the house as well, so if you do, great. So what we're going to start out with is we want to put in the Stay Fresh pack because it will help your roses last longer. Basically, I think all it is some sugar water. All right, so sprinkle some of that in there. Now, I like to leave them mostly natural. I like a little of the green popping through. A lot of people will strip off all of the leaves and petals, but I like to make them as natural as possible. Now, you can use scissors and clippers. I couldn't find my normal clippers, so I'm using my pruners. It'll work, but you know, we're making do. So when you're designing without greenery, you're going to want to mount them a little bit lower. You know, normally if you have greenery, you'd go double the height of the vase, but this is without greenery, so you're going to cut them a little shorter. Now, you don't want the greenery touching the water because it will make it murky and gross. So, all right, so what we're going to do is just get it, you know, we're going to create a mound, and you want to crisscross as you do it. So we are taking off a good chunk of the stem, which unfortunately is what you pay for, but at a grocery store you don't. They're already pretty cheap, so I figured that that's okay. You want to also pull off any gross petals that are kind of beat up. But like I said, I don't like to over pluck them because then they look weird. So we're going to just do this for a minute. And what we're doing is we're kind of crisscrossing and creating a grid, and it will help it to support it and stay in place better. This is going to be just beautiful. You know, red is for love, but you can go with whatever color is her favorite. Yellow is definitely a friendship one. If you're kind of not sure, maybe purple's a good way to go, or pink. I would say most ladies like flowers. So you kind of start on the outside and you work your way in on this. When you're arranging a full dozen with all of the greenery, I like to put all of my roses in and add the greenery after. So we're just plugging along. And we're about out of roses, and it's looking super cute. We'll put some right here in the center, and we've got one more. So I bought these roses at Trader Joe's for $6.99, so this is a steal. And I talked to them today, and they said that honestly, they are not going to go much more up for Valentine's Day. So do a little once around and rearrange. This one's a little tall, so we're going to chop this one off a little. And just make sure that it's kind of mounded, but I don't like it like super perfect mound. I like a little bit of variety. And as you can see, just as it is like this, looks really great. But if you want to take it up a notch, I've got a little hidden secret here. So, hydrangeas are my favorite flower. I love them. And they act as a wonderful filler in an arrangement like this. Now these sometimes I'll leave the leaves on these, but these leaves are really ginormous and I think that they would really not do the right look. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these hydrangeas. These ones are green. You can get them in blue. They're, you know, sometimes they have a purpley hue. We're gonna cut it short and we're gonna just tuck this down in. And I like the roses to poke out, so we're gonna just, and this bunch was about $6. So, you know, if you just stuck with the roses, you'd be $6.99 plus an inexpensive vase. If you want to add the hydrangea just for that little added oomph, then it's another like $6. And honestly, it's totally worth it. And you get this really awesome custom look. So, like I said, you want to put the hydrangeas in. Now you don't want to go totally crazy, but they don't give you that many to, so we're gonna just shove this in and then we're gonna do little vignettes of roses. Perfect. Oh my word, this is gonna be so cute. This is like happiness and romance in a little jar. So cute. Okay, so it, like I said, it was super cute as is, but this just, I don't know, it takes it and makes it even look more professional. It almost has like that wedding bouquet vibe. Okay, so I think we're good like this. Guys, you could do this, can't ya? So, the one thing that's bugging me right here, we're gonna fix this. There's a lot of green right there, so we're gonna break it up a little. Okay, so look at that. Isn't that super cute, super custom? Looks like a professional did it. Looks like it cost you a fortune, but it didn't. So, and you could like tie a little ribbon around it or not, or not, you know, whatever suits your liking. But I think any lady would like this, and ladies, I know y'all like this, so hopefully that wasn't too hard to follow. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'd be happy to answer. We'll probably do some more floral tutorials, you know, something that I did in a past life. But thank you so much for watching. Like us and follow us, and we'll have more great tutorials for you in the future.